look, you may be like, look, I'm not a financial expert, but you could say, Thad and I aren't. And I think the central banks have got pretty good data. When I see what's happening here with central banks and how much gold reserves they want to put on their books compared to 2019 to 2025, 95% of them, how much do you expect to change your gold reserves for the next 12 months? Like, everyone's raising their hand going, yeah, I want more of that. I want more of that. So clearly supply and demand shows you that there is a huge appetite for gold. That's why you see it break at 4,000, silver over 50, palladium now starting to run. So I just think there's some opportunities. Again, not financial advice, but pay attention to what's happening in these precious metals, and who knows where they end up long term.
Yeah, I think going back to what we said earlier, they can't all keep going up together, right? Capital flows to its highest and best use. And if gold becomes the place that people are going, the stock market is not going to keep rising as people are hedging their money into a more stable thing than investments. We rely on that in self-storage development. We're asking investors to take a higher risk investment with the prospect of a higher return. And when things are going good, that's an easy conversation to have. As people start to get a little more wary and they start to go into a little bit more of the gold, silver type assets, it gets harder on the business side of it to keep fueling your business growth. The only way a stock price goes up is if the income from the business keeps increasing, right? It's hard to keep increasing your business's profits when people aren't buying.